Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge ji, respected Sonia Gandhi ji, respected Rahul Gandhi ji, all the leaders on the dais, and my dear members of the Congress family. It is a fact that under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi, Indian National Congress defeated British who were following a policy of divide and rule in this country. And now this is the time, under the leadership of our leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, we have to defeat this RSS Sangha Parivar who is following the same policy of divide and rule in this country. In the last 10-11 years, we have seen the RSS and BJP systematically destroying the social fabric of this country and is trying to divide this country for sheer political benefit. We have seen the way they have targeted Muslim community over the years, and it is a fact that it is not only the Muslim community which is being targeted. We have seen that it is also other minority communities, including the Christian community, is systematically targeted throughout the country wherever they are in power. The day Waqf bill was passed in Parliament, the very next day, the organizer, the mouthpiece of RSS, published an article which mentioned about the institutions run by Christian community in this country. And the intention of this article was precisely to see how these institutions and the systems that the community run in this country can be acquired or can be controlled by the BJP government. So, sir, we've been seeing attacks on Christian community throughout the country. The very recent attack in Jabalpur, attack in Odisha and various other parts of the country raises serious concern about the minorities in this country. We have seen hundreds of attacks on Christian churches, Christian schools, other institutions and priests and other nuns throughout the country, and this raises serious concern in this country. And it is a fact that only Congress government can ensure a peaceful atmosphere where all the religious communities can live in this country in a very peaceful manner. So it is our responsibility to strengthen the party at the grassroots level and to bring back Congress to power in this country. The people of this country are waiting for a change. Not only the people of country, sir, I want to say that I come from the land of Kerala. കേരളത്തിലും ജനങ്ങൾ ഒരു മാറ്റം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുകയാണ്. കേരളത്തിൽ മാറ്റം ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന മുഴുവൻ ആളുകൾക്കും അറിയാം, അവിടെ ഇന്ത്യൻ നാഷണൽ കോൺഗ്രസിന്റെ നേതൃത്വത്തിൽ UDFന്റെ ഒരു സർക്കാർ അടുത്ത നിയമസഭാ തെരഞ്ഞെടുപ്പിൽ അധികാരത്തിൽ വരണമെന്ന് അവിടെ മുഴുവൻ ആളുകളും ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നു. Sir, I would like to tell you, it is not only in Kerala also, people are waiting for a change. And in the next assembly election in Kerala also, with your blessings, Congress will come to power and we will all work together for that. And once again, I thank the leadership for giving me this opportunity. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Congress.